Hi guys, here's my recap for the day. So I had a pretty good day. I traded a few stocks, but in total it was a good day. So coming to my first trade, my trades on Disney. Disney was a good trade. I'm kind of proud of this trade because Disney was in a stock in play because of the streaming services they introduced recently. So I saw that after 10 minutes, it made higher lows on the 1 minute chart, and then it broke VWAP, and I was waiting for a pullback so that I can get as an entry close to the VWAP. But then I saw that I entered here with the stop loss below VWAP, but then I noticed that my risk is too bad, so I need a bigger move for a good risk to reward. That's why I got out completely. And then I thought that, okay, if it gives me a good pullback to VWAP, I'm entering again. But then it again made a new 1 minute high. So I saw that it's consolidating above VWAP. So this means that the buyers will step in soon to take the stock higher. Consolidation for me is that the stock is fueling up for a bigger move upwards or downwards depending on the technical analysis. So that's why I entered long again with the stop loss below the one of these candlesticks. And then at this time my risk was very low. That's why I got out at 3-2 hour, 4-2 hour. Then I was holding some of my shares, and then I got out completely as soon as it. I was holding to get out at this level, and it broke this level with huge volume and huge momentum. That's why I got out, and I was not even having a lot of shares, so it was not worth holding. My other trades were on Baba. So Baba was kind of unfortunate. It made the move finally, but without me. With me, kind of without me as well. So what's happening was Baba made a very good move yesterday above VWAP. I was watching Baba. I missed the movie yesterday. It made the move in front of my eyes. So that's why I was thinking Baba was making higher lows on the one again. It's holding this trend line. So I went long here, and my stop loss was just at the break of this level. And then I got out maybe some of my position here. This was only, I think, 10% partial because I was holding this to get a bigger move up and to break this level, which it did now. And then I got out at all of my position at break even. Then okay, I thought that okay, it ripped me out, it's going up again. That's why I went long again. I got stopped out, and this time I saw that it's again making higher highs on the 1 minute chart. The 5 minutes looks bullish. It's making higher highs on the 5. That's why I entered again, and this time I was holding. I got 50% of my position out here because this was 3 hour for me, and I don't want to make the previous mistake that I did. I only took 10% partial here. I took 50% partial and changed the stop loss to break even. And look at this. Look at my luck. See, wigged me out again. This is stupid. So I was not even looking at the stock. I was just thinking of making a recap. So I was getting set up for the recap, and it wigged me out. So this is very, very unfortunate. See, the low is 186.04 and my fill is 186.04. So that is, see how unlucky I am. Then my other trades were on AMRN. I missed a big move on AMRN again. So AMRN was a nice gap up on the daily. It had a good bullish news behind this move. So I saw that it sold off at the market open, and that was not a big sell off. It squeezed above VWAP. And then my first rule is that is 5 minutes a good chart to get, like, is 5 minutes showing a clear pattern? Yes. So the 5 minutes is looking bullish. Can I get a good entry on the 1 minute chart? Yes, I can with the here with the stop loss below VWAP. And the third question will be, is the level 2 in my favor? Yes, it was. So there were 1740 something share approximately here at the ask. So that is a very, very bullish move. So what is that? 170,000 shares. So that's a lot. I haven't seen that amount of ask in the past 2 months of my trading. So that's why I went long here. I took some out here, and then I got out at break even. I saw that okay, the asks are still there, so I entered again here, and then at 20 level it was having difficulty breaking the 20 level. So if you see a huge ask, you can go long here and take some out. So what I do is that if I see a huge ask, I take it long or short on the pullback, and then I take some profit out at that ask level. So I took some profit out at the 20 level, and then I was seeing that it's getting very heavy at the 20 level, and the shares increased from 174 to around 19. So that was 190,000 shares. and the asks were not going away. So that was a matter of concern for me, and that's my mistake because I over evaluated my trade, and that's why I got out completely and I missed this big move. See, because it consolidated again, the buyers are fueling up, the buyers are at the gas station, and then they are fueling up for a bigger move up. As soon as it broke the 20 level, see this move, this could have been a 5-hour trade. So lesson learned, I'm focusing on the level 2, but I'm not getting out early. I'm giving it a bit more move. If I would have given this stock at least the break of 9 EMA on the 1, this could have been a 5-hour move. So lesson learned, I need to be a bit more patient. And these were my trades for the TME. Was unfortunate, it's not worth sharing. TME was a red devil trade, so I took it short here. I took some profit out here. I did everything right. My stop was VWAP, but then it squeezed big time, like against me. So I was not even able to change my initial stop loss. So I entered long by mistake because my stop loss was still there. Then I was like, okay, so I got out completely. So this was in total a couple of dollars loss or gain, couple of dollars loss. So yeah, TME was unfortunate, and then it made the move, but because the spread was bad and I had this huge jingalala in my stock in my trade, that's why I removed it from my watch list. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below, and you can subscribe to this channel for more recaps on the Bear Bull traders and members. And moderators, follow Bear Bull traders on Instagram and Twitter. See ya, have a good day.